Hey guys, I know I talk about air guns a lot, but I don't just have air guns, I do have real black powder guns. I got this from my uncle. It's a bolt action. I have a license for firearms and everything, so this is a bolt action Merlin 22 gun rifle. It's a very, very nice gun. And people say 22 long rifles, they're pretty loud. They're like a pellet gun. Or if you shoot big something bigger, well, it's like that with this gun. It's not that loud. He gave me this gun. Like, he gave me another gun too, like a deer rifle, 243. I tried to get a deer a buck last year for my first time, but I'm trying to go this year instead. I think it'll be a bit easier because I see behind my mom's house tons of does, but I can do a video on the other gun is a Savage 243. It's unsafe. It's not open, you don't see it, but reaches out, and there's a nice leather strap on this. Look at the beautiful glass. Oh, I didn't pay for this gun. My uncle did, and I searched the price, and it's like 700 something bucks. But it's really nice gun. It has a recoil pen on it, but I don't think it needs one. There's no recoil to it, unless I put too heavy of a grain, like a 50 grain 22 bullet. Right there, you can put, my uncle says 7 bullets, but I usually put 3 in it, because you don't need that many shots. Because one shot, this thing's accurate. These are CCI. I just have it in these containers and it can be nice and safe, so it doesn't bang the bolts around. It's all bolts in that one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. CCI Velocitor 22 long rifle, 1435 feet per second, 40 grain small game bullets. I've never shot anything like that before. I've killed only one red squirrel with this, and it was with these CCI Segmenton HP long rifle, 22 long rifle, 1640 feet per second, 32 grain caliber bullet. This insane raccoon, porcupine, fox. It's the same red squirrel. Gray squirrel, red squirrel. If you want to just see what happens. And like crows and stuff. This bullet, it's accurate. I can shoot 50 yards dead center this gun with these bullets. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 bullets left with it. So that's fine. That's like 41 shots I did with this one, and 40 shots with this one. So I've been shooting a lot of stuff, but I don't really hunt that much. I hunt with pelicans more because I eat the meat, so I don't want to destroy it. I'll tell you a story. The one that was maybe 10 yards from a young red squirrel. It had a nice tail on it, but I saw it. My dad was like helping me try and find it. We were by hickory, hickory trees or hazelnut. I forget which. And there's like tons of red squirrel. I forget what the place is called. It's a really, really great place for squirrel. And I went with a 10-yard play. Shot the red squirrel was just sitting on a branch. I thought the gun was a bit off going to the left a little bit, so I aimed for the center of the red squirrel because I sighted and shooting a bit to the left. So I thought aiming toward the center, I hit his head. No, the thing went dead center into the red squirrel. The gun was not off or anything. It hit the squirrel dead center, and the red squirrel just disappeared. It fell out of the tree, and I told my dad to not come over. He peeked around and I didn't want him to see, but the thing was obliterated. Like, there was only a piece of the tail, no back legs. There was like back legs and stuff, but the center of the red squirrel, the head was like, the center of the red squirrel, it was gone. It was like two pieces split. It was insane. Like, I don't use this for like squirrels and stuff. I would only use this maybe if I see a porcupine or something. Maybe I'll go ahead and pop it. If it's doing something wrong, I'll shoot it, or I'll shoot raccoons or porcupines. I kind of like it. My dad doesn't. Because they get in like trash and a lot of things, skunks and stuff. But for this review, this is a single scope. I'm going to just say that 3x9 times 32. The same scope was on the other Savage 243. Same scope, I think. I'll check. I'm not my knowledge right now, so I only have like 3 guns here. That's it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos.